Hey Arlene, I need some help sorting out some issues with my department. The processes are producing a considerable amount of waste and I am in a fix of how to reduce them. As as a result, the variable costs have increased twofold and it's seriously hampering our profits. I know lean methodology can help, but I'm not sure about what tools to go for so that the waste could be reduced to its maximum. Could you please help me out with this?
Sure, I will be more than happy to help you out with that. To cater to your needs, there are some specific tools which would be very helpful. I would like to give you a detailed explanation so that you can map the tools to your processes easily.
Yeah, sure, please go on.
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you're missing out on value-adding content.
Thank you. So we have tools which can be helpful in any kind of scenario. The first one being error proofing or mistake proofing of processes. Mistake proofing, as the name suggests, is concerned with detecting errors as they occur, either automatically through technology or manually through inspection, notifying workers and ensuring that the proper conditions exist before any process is implemented. It reduces the likelihood of defects and human error.
And this tool can be applied to any process, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Thanks, that's great. I guess this is something which we can begin our efforts to reducing the waste being generated. I will be sharing with you all the details of each and every processes that is in place. Then we can discuss which process to make on priority so that there's a significant difference.
Sounds great.
Okay, cool. Any other tool that you want to suggest?
There is another tool which can be used. You can apply the concepts of 5 whys here for your processes. Continuously asking yourself and the whole team different whys regarding any process, typically 5 times or more, is very effective to get to the root cause of any problem. It sounds very simple, but believe me, it's a very effective thinking tool. It allows you to diagnose problems without any statistical analysis and often identifies multiple root causes and the relationships between them.
Yeah, and we can also use the fishbone diagram to perform a root cause analysis with the 5 whys. The fishbone diagram will be a good visual way to look at the cause and effect of any issue so that can be a supplement to the previous concept.
Bang on. Combining these two will produce phenomenal results on the shop floor.
Are there any other tools apart from this that can be applied to a tire manufacturing facility?
I would suggest you to apply these 2-3 tools first, and then once you start having consistent results, you can go for Jidoka.
A Japanese term for automation.
Rightly said. So it basically translates to intelligent automation or automation with a human touch. You can automate some processes, even partially if not fully, so that the machines can automatically detect defects in the process as and when they occur and stop the line so that the person concerned with that particular process can address them as soon as possible.
I don't think there are any current processes that can be further automated.
I'm sure there must be 1 or 2 processes at least that are currently manual and can be automated to some extent. Let's list down all the manual processes and then we can check which are feasible to automate.
Sure, let's get started.
And you guys out there, thank you for watching this video. To know more about softwares and tools used in supply chain management, stay tuned to our channel Force Edu and watch out for our next video.